Hey, traveler, think you know what you can bring on a plane in 2025? Well, think again. This year, airlines and airport security have updated rules that could cost you time, money, or even your favorite travel gadgets. From banned batteries to new food restrictions, these rules aren't just frustrating, they're real. So before you pack, here are 10 new carry-on rules that most travelers still don't know. And hey, if you want smart travel tips like this every week, make sure to subscribe to FamVista. Let's go! Number 1. Your carry-on might be too big now. Many airlines, even full-service ones, have quietly shrunk their allowed carry-on sizes. Some now cap bags at 21 by 13 by 7 inches. Show up with a bulging roller bag? You could be forced to check it and pay a fee. Pro tip: check your airline size and weight limits before every trip. Number 2. You can't hide your heavier bag anymore. Airlines like Delta and British Airways are now weighing carry-ons at the gate. The limit? Often just 15 to 22 pounds. Always bring a portable luggage scale. They cost $10 and could save you $75. Number 3. Not all liquids are treated the same anymore. Some airports allow larger liquids thanks to new scanners, but most still follow the 3.4-ounce rule. Check every airport on your route, especially international layovers. Number 4. Personal items are being strictly enforced. Backpacks and totes must fit completely under the seat. Airlines like Spirit and Ryanair charge for oversized personal items. Stick to 18 by 14 by 8 inches. Number 5. Smart luggage could get you stopped. Bags with non-removable batteries are completely banned. Even removable ones must be under 100 watt-hours. No battery info? You might not board. Number 6. TSA is cracking down on power banks. Power banks must be under 100 watt-hours or under 160 with airline approval. But remember, they can't go in checked bags. If TSA finds one packed away, they may toss it. Number 7. Food rules just got stricter. Countries like the US, Australia, and New Zealand won't let you bring in fresh food. Even peanut butter and hummus count as gels. Stick to sealed snacks or buy food after security. Number 8. Some travel essentials are now banned. Think snow globes, strong magnets, CO2 cartridges, and metal cutlery. Even vapes with big batteries and hiking poles get flagged. Check the TSA banned items list before you pack. Number 9. Not all airports use the same tech yet. New CT scanners are rolling out, but not everywhere. If your airport still uses old machines, you'll need to remove electronics and liquids. Pack them at the top of your bag for quick access. And number 10, free carry-ons are disappearing. Even major airlines now charge for carry-ons with basic economy. Always compare fares and see if upgrading actually saves you more. Travel is changing fast, but now you're ahead of the game. Which of these TSA rules surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. Or did I miss something you got caught with? Let me know below. I might feature your tip in a future video. Safe travels!